What's going on, everybody? So today's video is sponsored by Kelby's Rifles, and as you guys probably know by now, they're my main sponsor on the channel. We have an Atlas Tactical right here that I just put together in 22 Creedmoor. Phenomenal action. If you guys are looking for anything on the awesome end of custom rifles, make sure you check out kelbys.com and use Reloading Quest 15. You'll save 15% off, and they'll know that I sent you there. But the other thing is guys, customer service is outstanding with Kelby's Rifle. You call, and you're probably going to get Ian Kelby himself on the phone, and he'll try to walk you through whatever problem you're having. So make sure you check out kelbysrifles.com, and stay tuned for the video coming up. What's going on, YouTube? So we're back with installment of 17 Fireball Part 3. So here's the components we used. So IMR 8208 XBR, right? And then we used a 25 grain Vmax, CCI small rifle number 400s, and obviously there's the bolt right there. And then the rifle was the Remington 700 and that 24, 26, whatever it is. You can go back and watch the first one. But so first charge weight, second, third, as we can see here, third, fourth, fifth. Where is my little data book here? 1 minute, I'll tell you guys velocities. Velocities weren't crazy. If I could find my data book, that'd be awesome. Also, guys, this is an awesome chronograph, the Rangecraft chronograph. What the heck did I do with my little book? I'm gonna put it in a pocket now, and now I can't find it. So, anyways, I mean, none of these are like super fantastic groups, but this is promising, and so is this. This is the one that I think I probably would go with the most. This is published data from Hornady's mode manual. So I ended up using, here's my little book. So I use Hornady's data for this. Okay, so for our first group here with 8208 XBR, which is the one in the middle, we got an average velocity of 3,655, standard deviation of 14, and an ES of 48, so not real great. There was a first shot, and these are the next four, okay? And then this one here was standard, or average velocity of 3715, a standard deviation of 22, and an ES of 64. And then here was 3723, standard deviation of 14, and an ES of 39, which is weird because those are somewhat decent numbers, so far better than pretty much everything else. And it's the worst group, so it's always interesting how you see that. And then here we've got 33,811 with standard deviation of 13 and extreme spread at 32, so not too bad. And then the final group here, we've got a standard deviation or average velocity of 3,829, standard deviation of 5.2, and extreme spread of 13. So if I were to load up again, this would be the one I would choose to. I'm, keeping all my data in this little book the little books that I make here. So I'm gonna have lots of data. But what we're gonna do next is I haven't decided if we're gonna stick with a 25 grain one Vmax, but I think we're gonna probably want one more powder at that weight, and then we've got some nozzler ammo to test as well, and so that'll give me some more brass. Because right now we're using all Remington brass. I'm not sure I want to mix different brasses, but we'll see. And then we've got some Dogtown bullets. These guys we ended up getting, let's see here if I can get it. So we got some of these guys here to test too, and then we got some nozzlers and other stuff to test. Because the bummer right now is I only have 30 pieces of brass to test, so it's just like one quick range session and I gotta get back out and stuff like that. So either way, we're gonna test some more different bullets, more powder. This will probably end up being like 10-15 video series, so stay tuned. And then when I get all done testing, I'll have all the targets, and we'll talk about the best group and what the rifle liked the best. And then what we'll end up doing is we'll take the best group out of all of these and the best numbers, and we'll reshoot all of those. I think that will be like a final video or something like that. So stay tuned. We've got some 7 SOM that we're working on today too as well. So stay tuned for that. This is a very nice rifle. So as you can see, 7 SOM right there. We've got Night Force on top, Paradigm. This rifle shoots incredible. It's so light. But we're going to be shooting some McGuire ballistics with that. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys later.